Purpose of this video is to describe how I created the energy shield for this spaceship. The energy shield used in this video is available for download as a Blender file for those interested. The link is in the video description. The spaceship is actually stationary. Everything else is rotating: the sun, the stars, the camera, etc. But since they all rotate in sync with the camera, they appear not to rotate at all. This choice simplifies camera movements when working later in the spaceship's reference frame, and this affects the shield as well. The choice to have the spaceship completely still simplified creating camera shots in the spaceship's reference frame. Provided blend file renders the shield like this. I kept the camera rotation and experimented with the rotation of the spacecraft substitute.
The meteorite impact effect comes from the interaction between vertices animated to move back and forth through the shield's creeping energy. Here is how the shield shader looks like. The shield effect relies on three elements: a distortion of the light's path, a creeping energy effect within the shield, and light flares from the creeping energy upon collision with meteorites. A gradient is used to fade out effects towards border off the shield. The distortion of the light's path is mainly a noised index of refraction. The creeping energy effect is a Voronoi texture rendered as a lightly emissive volume. The light flares are the intersection of the point density volume of the animated vertices with the creeping energy rendered as a strongly emissive volume.